Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to make soap train. Let's go. So what you're going to need is some melt and pour and soap safe colorant, a silicone chain mold, and some rubbing alcohol, preferably in a spray bottle. Let's get started actually making the soap. So what I'm going to do is spray the mold with rubbing alcohol and run my finger through it so that there's no puddles. This is going to help your finger slide through the mold so you can get the soap out. I melted my melt and pour. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I put some ultramarine pink oxide from Brambleberry. I'm going to pour the soap in the mold before it cools. And it's okay if you overflow a bit. We'll get to that in a bit. Once we get done, we're going to let it cool, but not fully, so it's still flexible. Now that it's partially cooled, we're going to take a small knife and scrape it along the edge to remove the excess soap that is spilled over. You don't want to do it very hard so you don't cut the mold. You can save the bits that you cut off and remelt it so that you can use it later. Now let's demold. To demold it, we're going to peel up the edge and slide our thumb underneath, and to be careful not to break the chain. I struggled with this a lot when I first did it, so you might have to try this a couple of times. Your thumb should slide fairly easily because of the rubbing alcohol we put earlier. The chain should be flexible right now still because it's still soft because it has not fully cooled. So as you can see, it's pretty much unbroken. There are a few little bits, but that's okay. Here we have the finished product. I also have a few more here that I made, and as you can see, they turned out pretty good. Here I have an example of what happens when you let the soap fully cool before you unmold. I really hope you liked the video. I had really fun making this. Please like if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this. The majority of the things I used today are linked down in the description below. Thanks for watching!